Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys this pastel swirls with bunny nail art. This one is perfect for Easter. Of course, before anything else, I'm applying base coat. Then I'm painting 2 layers of white nail polish. Then I'm applying pastel shades in the form of swirls on my nails using a detailer brush. After letting it to dry, I'm applying top coat. Then after that, I'm applying a shimmer top coat. Then let's stamp a bunny design on my ring and thumbnail. After all of that, I also applied top coat. And there you have my Easter bunny nails. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!